Hello everyone, I hope you are fine, doing great, everything is fine everyone. Can you hear me? Okay, thank you so much for confirmation. Alright, happy Diwali first of all to all members, all community members. Alright everyone, so we are going to start this session. First of all, in this webinar we are going to do market analysis and some quick question answer after the session. Majority of the majority of the time we cover in a webinar the most tradable pair like Euro USD, GBP USD. Okay, so first of all we are going to cover Euro USD, after that GBP USD and gold, Bitcoin, Nifty, Bank Nifty and other some requested pair after that. And end of the webinar I will go for the quick question answer session as well as. Okay, all right, so first of all we are going to start from the mainly we trade in a Euro USD. So first of all we are going to start from the GBP USD in a higher time frame like a 1 day time frame, and after that I will go for the another time frame like a daily and 1 hour 15 minute. Okay, so as per the daily time frame structure, what happening here, look at this one, what up we can expect here and what happening here. Okay, so at the current price action, what happening here, market momentum is bullish and now market trying to push downside like here. Let me show you, this one is our previous recent higher high and this was our higher low. Okay, and market create this one is our new break of structure right here. Okay, and after that what happened here, market shift bullish to bearish. So once market break the previous main low and close below it, so this one is a called break of chalk, change of character. Okay, so this one is a confirm a chalk. After confirm a chalk, probably we are looking for the entry in a sell side. Okay, because market momentum is a change here. Okay, so once market taken out the inducement, we are looking for the sell. So market create chalk and we are looking for the sell after taking out the inducement. And where is inducement? After chalk and boss in a higher time frame I'm talking about. Okay, market must be taken out the inducement. So what is inducement? Inducement only confirm when market create valid break of structure, either chalk. Okay, once market taken out the first pullback after chalk and boss, which is our inducement. So in this case, where is our inducement? Look at this one carefully here. This one is a pullback, something like this. Okay, another pullback, but market not taken out any pullback. So at this point market taken out the pullback, so this high act like a inducement. What happened if market not taken out this pullback and create another one and push downside? So this point become our inducement right here until market taken out the first high. This one is called our inducement. So this one is our inducement right here. So once market taken out the inducement, our lower low is a confirm here. And also we are looking for the entry on a decisional PY, on extreme PY after taking out the. So at this point this one is a chalk. And where is entry? Entry probably we are looking for the first PY. So where is PY? First PY is called decisional PY. This one right here. Okay, price type है direction but not able to break the main low and market trying to go higher. It means market not able to go continue push downside. Market looking for the continuation to the upside. So at this point what happened here? We are looking for the continuation to the upside, and which point? Till market taken out the extreme PY. So where is extreme? This one is our extreme unmitigated order block is here, because the proper imbalance at this point here, proper imbalance available here, and this one is the extreme PY. If market tap here, then we are also looking here for the sell. Until mitigation this PY, we can continue higher. Okay, so this is a possible scenario in a Euro USD on a higher time frame PY right here. Okay, because market momentum was bullish and now convert into bearish, and now we are looking for again bullish for the short term for the counter trend till extreme PY mitigation right here. Okay, so at the point what are you looking here? Look at this internal structure at this point. This one is our previous internal structure here which grab the liquidity, which is an indication that market grab the this internal structure liquidity here, and this one is our last shadow which grab the liquidity. So if price came back this zone, then we are anticipating that market can go higher, something like this. So this one is a possible scenario in a Euro USD in a 1 day time frame. If I'm switching here in a 1 hour time frame, then what are you looking here? As per the 1 hour time frame, what happening here? Probably we are looking for the entry after taking out the inducement right here, And what happened here? We here for buy at this point because this one is a decisional PO. Taking out the inducement, market mitigate this one, and then we are looking for the buy. Press not tap here and create liquidity point here, right? So these are liquidity here, like something like this one is a SNR liquidity, like supply and demand. People are looking here for buy because this one is creating resistance and supply here. This is a strong demand zone. People are looking here for buy, and then what happened here? Market tap here, and then market went down, grab the liquidity, and then this one is the first scenario here. But the next scenario possible here, if market tap here, continue go higher, again went down, to mitigate this daily POI right here and create any chalk and flip, something like this, and then we can expect market momentum. Okay, so this one is a possible scenario in a Euro USD in a 1 hour time frame, and we can expect also here for the sell for the short term here. This one is a last buying momentum before the sell, right? So possibly if market mitigate this zone, then we can expect a short term sell till this decisional POI. Why? Because the market grab the liquidity at this point, because liquidity is not means always the taken out the previous high or low, closing or sweep. No, it all about the previous structure, previous high or low, grab the liquidity, which can be closer, which can be swept. Okay, when market break this previous high, sweep this one and push downside, so this one is also act like a okay, this one is a low, sweep here, so this one is also act like a liquidity grab. That's why market break this high and mitigate this PY and continue. We can go higher till this PI mitigation, because both side liquidity grab here, but the sell side is much higher compared to the okay. So if same thing happen here on PI mitigation, then this can be a much higher probability. Okay, so we are looking here for the sell after mitigation this PY, and this one is zone when we are looking for the sell. Okay, let's switch in a 5-minute time frame. What happening here? In a 5-minute time frame, everything is in a ranging here. For the 5-minute time frame, you should also apply the same principle, same rule. Market taking out the inducement, then we are looking for the buy and sell everything. Okay, so this was our last PY, which was mitigate here and then continue going higher high, and at the current price action we are looking for the continuation to the upside till this PY mitigation right here. So in this case, simply this was our last structure was create here, everything like here. This was the last structure. This is an internal break this high. This one is a create chalk, inducement taken out, first PY here, right? So this one is a decisional and price react from decisional, and next one is on extreme point. So where is extreme? Okay, so price type here and continue looking for to the upside, this something like this. Okay, if not able to go higher and push downside, mitigate the extreme point right here, and then we are looking for the buy. So this is a point when we are looking for the buy to the upside in a Euro USD in a fund. Okay, now switch here in another one is a GBP USD. Let's switch here in a GBP USD. First of all, look at the daily time frame structure. What happening here in a GBP USD is a similar story is a Euro USD. Same thing happening here. The previous structure was created here at this point, higher high and higher low, break this one and confirm new higher high, and another one is a chalk here. After chalk, probably we are looking for sell after taking out the inducement. So where is inducement in this case? Look at this one. This was inducement taken out, and after taking out the inducement, price mitigate this unmitigated order block. Okay, actually this one is the order block, right? Last time I marked this one as a, which was by mistake. Okay, but actual order block here, right? And at this point, what happening here? Price type here and just sweep this one. In this case, what happening? Okay, if someone asks me that if order block is a sweep, this will be work or not. If order block is a sweep, which can be also act like a, like this one is act like a liquidity, which can be used for the PY right here. Okay, so this can be used for the sell if market taken out the inducement, mitigation your PY, even your PY sweep, which is also indication for the liquidity, for the one more time liquidity grab here. Okay, so short term sell here, and now we are anticipating buy here. Why? Because price can be go higher, because price type on your decisional PY. This one is our decisional PY right here. So if price type on decisional PY and create any reaction, so we are looking here for sell. But where is the next PY? Next PY is here for the buy. If market not create any bullish momentum at this point, then we are continue looking for the sell right here, like create small reaction. And so in this case we are looking for sell after taking out this inducement and looking for the continuation drop and a downside move. Okay, because the previous structure liquidity grab here. Main thing you have to understand what is liquidity. Liquidity means when market grab the previous structure high or low, grab the previous session high or low. You don't need to combine all things. You have to focus on one thing, like structure liquidity, session liquidity, which is very enough. Once you understand that how liquidity work, when you see in a past chart, in a previous past chart, any time frame, when market looking for the continuation to the upside and downside, then market must be taken out the previous high or low. If market taken out the previous high low in a higher time frame, then you have to mark your PY, which will gives you more high probability entry for the buy and sell. Okay, so let me show you here what I'm trying to say here. Like for example, market momentum is a bearish. When market break the previous high and then market went down, so this zone become our more high probability, like this one. This one is a grab the liquidity. When market grab the liquidity, and this area become our strong zone for the sell. Okay, price mitigate this one and went down because this area grab the liquidity. Okay, if same thing happen in a bullish market, if market momentum is a bullish and break this one, even close or sweep doesn't matter, and then market went up, so this area become our high probability zone for the buy. Okay, so this is a very simple and very powerful thing. When market break the previous session high or low, when market break the previous structure high or low, and then you have to mark your PY, which will give you more high probability rate for the buy and sell. That's it. Okay, so same thing happen here in this internal structure. The internal structure, this one is a grab the liquidity and continue looking for the buy to the upside. So this was our last selling move before this buy. So this one is a refinement order block, where is our proper imbalance price type here, and we are looking for the buy to the upside. Now I'm going to switch here in a 1 hour time frame. What happening in a 1 hour time frame? So this is a zone when we are looking for the buy. What happening here? In this case, simply you can see the internal structure was here. This was our previous structure. It means in this zone you have to identify where is our next possible scenario. Look at this one, all the order block. This one is the first one, and this was administrative, and all the other things is already mitigated here. So basically we have a 2 PY refinement PY. Once price mitigate this zone, then you have to identify like price type here in a 1 hour time frame and break this high. So this one's called chalk. You have to wait for taking out the inducement and then went up, and then you can buy here at this point, right? So this one is a possible scenario for the buy in a GPUSD in a 1 hour time frame. Overall, right now price structure is a bearish. There is no PY here, there is no liquidity grab here. This one is a liquidity indication here, right? Because everything in a move continuation to the upside, there is no liquidity grab here, something like this. Okay, so this one is an indication that market grab the liquidity. So this is a strong zone for the buy to the upside. If market not able to hold this first decisional PY, then you have to wait for it to mitigate this extreme PY right here. Then we can buy to the upside. And what about the current situation in a GPUSD? So if you can see at this point, current price action, this one is our previous structure, break this one, sweep the liquidity. This one is the order flow mitigation, and next one is unmitigated here. So this high act like an inducement, price mitigate this one, and then we can sell till this PY mitigation, and then we can buy after chalk and flip and T module as well as. So this one is a possible scenario in a GPUSD in a 1 hour time frame. Now I'm going to switch here, and another one is about the gold, and after that I will to start another one is a Nifty, Bank Nifty, and if possible any requested pair. Okay, but majority of the time I cover the gold and Bitcoin, and sometimes is a Nifty. Okay, so let's see. So this was our chalk here, and so this one is a gold chart here. First of all, look at the daily time frame structure right here. So in a daily time frame structure, market type on extreme, and you have to wait for it taken out the inducement. Inducement create here. This yellow point is the indication for the inducement. So once market taken out this one, and then we are looking for the buy. So which point we can buy here? You have to identify where is our valid pullback. So in this case, if you can see here, first one is only one. This one is an extreme PY when we can buy here. Okay. So another one is a possibility after taking out the inducement, market create here any chalk, and then we can buy to the upside right here. So this one is the next possible scenario in a gold as per the daily time frame structure right here. Okay, but if I'm talking about here in a 1 hour time frame, So what happening here? Look at this one. In a 1 hour time frame, structure is a bearish, everything is a bearish here. There is no bullish indication. The previous main high lows are broken, right? Pause create here, sweep the liquidity, and we are waiting here for the buy on this extreme PY and sell, jog, and everything is correct. Look at this one. This was internal structure, previous high sweep here and tap here. So when market grab the liquidity, when market taken out the previous internal structure, high or low, then market mitigate same zone, then we are looking for the buy and sell, okay, which those one act like a high probability. So right now what happening here? In this case, right now you can see the previous high is a grab the liquidity, mitigation, and went down. You have to wait for it, taken out the inducement, and then market mitigate anything here like this one, right? And then we can continue push downside, okay? So right now there is no PY on the bullish side, everything is a looks bearish. You have to wait for it to create a pullback, then we can buy in a gold in a 1 hour time frame. Now let's switch in a Bitcoin USDT. What happening here in a Bitcoin? As per the daily time frame structure, everything is a bullish here. Let's mark the first of all weekly time frame and where is inducement and when we can expect here. So right now you can see this one is our previous internal high is here, right? So it means this one is a much high probability for the sell. So first area when we are looking for the sell in a Bitcoin, right? Okay, so this one is the zone when we are looking for the sell. First area almost 45,000, then we can expect a move to the downside, right? If I'm going to show you here in a 1 day time frame, daily time frame, so similar story here. The previous high is a grab the liquidity, push downside and break the main low, this one, right? So when market break the previous main low, this was a previous high and broken this one, right? So this one act like a PY, strong PY for the sell side, right? So once market mitigate this zone, then definitely we are looking for the sell. But at the current price action, what happening here as a day trading perspective, what are you looking here? So you have to switch in a 1 hour time frame, which is very fine in a crypto market. So look at this one price action. You have to mark the structure first of all. Where is structure? What happening here? Okay, the previous structure was created here, something like this, inducement taken out, and after that the first PY is here, mitigation, and continue go higher. And then where is our next PY? Our next PY here, after taking out the inducement, mitigate this zone, then if we can buy, because this one is a grab the liquidity. So at this point we can buy to the upside, this high as a target, okay? So if market came back this PY, then definitely we can expect a move to the upside, okay? So this one is a possible scenario in a Bitcoin in a 1 hour time frame, right? If I'm going to switch here in a 15-minute time frame, then we can see very clearly at this point. This point grab the liquidity, the previous high is a taken out the liquidity, and this one is a extreme, right? Price type here, mitigation, and then we can continue go higher, something like this. And this high act like a main high as a target right now, okay? Because in this case there is no PY here, everything is a single leg. This one is the area which market grab the liquidity, because this one is a mitigation at this point. Just below it there is no unmitigated PY anything, everything is mitigated here, right? That's why this zone is a much high probability zone for the buy in a Bitcoin in a 15-minute time frame, okay? Now switch here in another one is a Bank Nifty. So this one is a Bank Nifty chart, and this one is a daily time frame structure. You can see market momentum was bullish and now trying to push downside, and which point you should buy and sell, and what we can expect in upcoming days and week, month in a Bank Nifty. Right now you can see the previous structure was here. Let me show you at this point. So at this point market taken out the inducement right here, right? So this one is our previous structure based on daily time frame. This was previous higher high, higher low, break this one and confirm higher high at this point. So what happening here? Inducement taken out, and after taking out the inducement, probably we are looking for the buy on the extreme and decisional PY. First area here, because this one is extreme and this one is a decisional, everything is here. Price type here and continue go higher, but not able to break the previous high. It means market not able to go higher. Market strength is a weaker for the buyers and looking for the sell. So right now what expect here? We can expect the previous structure main low is a broken, and this one is called chalk. Chalk create here means structure looking for the sell. Okay, so which point we can buy here and which point we should take entry. At this point you can see the previous internal structure grab the liquidity here, because structure create something like this. Okay, and then push downside. So this area grab the liquidity, it means this is our PY. Okay, this area become our PY for this sell. Okay, why? Because this one is a grab the liquidity, this one is a zone, proper imbalance, everything is here. So we can use this one as a PY. Short term possible move to the upside, something like this, and then possible move to the downside, continue to break this low. Okay, so this one is a possible scenario in a daily time frame. If I'm going to show you here in a 1 hour time frame, then look at this one. What happening here? Similar story here in a 1 hour time frame. The previous structure grab the liquidity, continue pushing downside. There is no liquidity grab here. Everything is mitigated here. Only one zone is available here for the sell. So if price came back this zone, then definitely we are looking for the sell. Now I'm going to switch here in a 15-minute time frame to see exactly what happening here as per the day trading perspective. So right now, what expecting here? What we can expect? We can expect this one is a main low, which grab the liquidity here. After grab the liquidity, what we can expect? We can expect that market came back the zone, like the previous highs are broken, mitigate this zone and continue go higher, break this one, and again you have to wait for it, like something like this, create pullback and continue go higher. Okay, so this one is a possible scenario. But if I'm going to switch here in a 5-minute time frame, then you can understand what happening exactly at this point. So based on a 5-minute time frame, what happening here? Look at this picture. Previous highs are broken here. This lows are grab the liquidity. It means this is a zone for the buyers. So if price came back this zone, okay, and then we can expect to the higher in a 5-minute time frame. If you are thinking that daily is a bullish, 1 hour is a bullish, and lower time frame sometimes is a bearish and bullish, so which time frame you should buy and sell? So first of all, I'm going to why I'm showing this time frame. I'm just showing you this time frame to understand that some people trade in a 1-day time frame, some people trade in a 1 hour and 15-minute and 1-minute time frame. Okay, so it's depend. So if you are trading as a day trading perspective, so most of the time people trade 15-minute as a higher time frame and 1-minute and 5-minute time frame. You have to use 3 time frame combination in a bank nifty in a stock market trading. So 15-minute your higher time frame, 5-minute to understand the structure. Okay, once price mitigate your 5-minute time frame, order block, PUI, anything, then you have to take a decision for the buy and sell. 1-minute time frame is a little bit laggy in a stock market, so you have to use 5-minute. Okay, so you can use 5-minute time frame. And also if you want to trade in a lower time frame for the more refinement, then you can use, but you have to trade on 1-minute order flow, not order block, because price not sometime not mitigate your order block, not create order block in a 1-minute time frame in a stock market, nifty, bank nifty. Okay, so you have to wait for it, like something like this. Price tap here, create chalk flip, and then you have to buy here based on 1-minute time frame here, and you have to trade based on 1-minute order flow. Okay, so this is a process to trade in a bank nifty, right? So I cover majority of the pair. Now I'm going to enable a chat section for a few minutes, and then after that I will finish this session. And if you anyone join late, so anyone can watch on YouTube. I will upload as soon as possible. So now I'm going to start from chat section. Does this strategy work in a crypto? Absolutely, you can work in a crypto, forex, stock, everywhere, and there is no analysis. Please only ask question answer, because analysis already cover most of the time. Explain about order block. So I already make so many videos uploaded on YouTube about order block and order flow, so you can watch them. So nifty, I think similar story like bank nifty. Mentorship price, sir, we offer community access, which is running almost $299 USD for lifetime subscription. This is a one-time payment. Aussie USD, sir, no more analysis will be covered in a next webinar. Please clear minor and major inducement. Sir, minor and major, there is no big difference. This is a difference about structure, like 1-2 candlestick, okay, which create minor inducement, and when market create larger inducement, when we are looking for the buy and sell. That's it. Generally we can mark the minor and major inducement to marking the high low. Okay, but when you are looking for the entry, then you have to always use the high probability zone. which can be larger in a say pen size. Yes, 299. Please try any crypto. I already cover a Bitcoin. There is so many question answer. Please ask one by one, then I can read your question. Which time frame you trade mostly? I trade mostly 50 minute and 1 minute majority of the time as a day trading, and sometime I trade 1 hour and 5 minutes. Okay, but most of the time 15 minutes. In a starting, I will suggest you trade in a 1 hour and 5 minutes. How to trade internal structure? To trade internal structure is a similar story like how you trade like a measure structure. Okay, mark the main higher low, taking out the inducement, mitigate those zone, and then you can buy and sell till decisional and extreme PY. Okay, on YouTube. Yes sir, I will upload on YouTube as soon as possible after finish the session. How many? Right now we have a 21 chapter 3.0. Please every week webinar. Sir, every week webinar is not possible. Okay, but I'm trying to deliver on my side like 1 or 2 webinar in a month. Which pair can be correlated with gold? For USD pair, majority of the time like your correlation with gold, but I will suggest you don't trade based on correlation. Okay, trade based on your structure, on your setup. Sometimes I notice that sometimes you don't use inducement. Yes sir, once market taken out the liquidity, then in that case I don't use inducement, because market grab the liquidity before the buying and selling. Okay, what you need a liquidity, which can be form of the liquidity and which can be in form of the inducement. Liquidity means when market grab the previous high or low, sweep the previous high or low, that's it. Then you don't use inducement. Once market close the previous high or low, then you need, and this will be applicable on lower time frame only, not higher time frame. Okay, price type on higher time frame. Let me show you exactly what I'm trying to explain here. For example, this one is your higher time frame PY, and this one is your 1 minute or 5 minute, yeah, or any lower time frame structure. And then what happen here? Price type here, what are you looking at? If this one is a close of it, for example close of it, then you have to wait for it chalk. This one is a chalk. So what are you looking here? You have to wait for it taken out the inducement. So this one is the inducement. If market taken out the inducement, mitigate this one or create single candle order block at this point here, and then sell. Simple. Okay, but what happen if market not create like this one is a sweep here? Okay, this one is a sweep here. In that case, you don't need inducement. Directly you can sell here on the order block and sell. In this case, you don't need inducement because market grab the liquidity already. All right, everyone. So I'm going to finish this stream, and once more again, happy Diwali for all community members, and wishing a very successful trading journey for everyone. And have a nice day and have a nice great weekend, everyone. Thank you so much.